Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change default text size in AutoCAD. We will explore two primary methods. First, by adjusting text styles for new text, and second, by modifying existing text directly. Finally, I will show you how to save these changes into a drawing template, ensuring your preferred text sizes are ready for every new project you begin. To begin, type Style or Sint into your command line and press Enter to open the Text Style Manager. Here, you can select an existing style to modify or create a brand new one. Locate the height box and input your desired text size, for example, 2.5 units. Remember to click Apply and then Close to confirm these adjustments. If you need to adjust text that is already in your drawing, simply select the text object. Then, type CH or Properties into the command line and hit Enter to open the Properties palette. In the Text section, find the Text Height field. You can then input a new value, for instance, 3 units, and press Enter to instantly update the text size. To make your text size changes permanent for all new drawings, open your drawing template file, often a DWT file. Apply your desired text style and height settings within this template. Then, save the template to ensure every new project automatically uses these defaults. Creating custom templates for various project types can significantly boost your workflow efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.